Today I'm gonna share you one more indicator strategy. Go to the tradingview.com. In the indicator section, search Keltner channels. Now the indicator is applied. This trading strategy is simple and works good in 5 and 15 minutes time frame. This Keltner channel indicator works same as Bollinger bands. This indicator works more accurately when used with the other different indicators, which automatically gives you buy or sell signals like UT bot and OK signal, etc. Whenever the price touches the upper band or crosses above the upper band of Keltner channel indicator, price starts decreasing from there. Whenever the price touches the lower band of Keltner channel indicator or crosses below the lower band, price starts increasing from there. Before applying it to the real money trading, do backtest the indicator, do paper trade, minimize the stop loss and gain more profits. At the last, don't forget to follow the page.